guys, I'm just drawing a seahorse and welcome to Liyah's Adventures. So today we're going to talk about again 5 amazing facts about amazing creatures in the world, but not all of them yet. So if you're ready to hear all about it, watch this video. First, we're going to go deep in the ocean. And our first creature what we're going to talk about in the ocean is the seahorse. The seahorse, it has 25 species in the ocean. And also, its scientific name is called the hippocampus, because hippocampus means sea monster. Hippo for sea and campus for monster. Our next creature that lives inside the rocks, which is so long, it's called the wolf eel. It is 7 feet long and can lay into 10,000 eggs. And also, it weighs 40 pounds. Our next one is a frogfish. You think it's like a frog, right? But it's a fish. And it can blend into coral reefs or into the sand. It can also change color just like a chameleon to stay away from predators. And let's go now above the sea to the amazing world of the Amazon jungle. And first is the African elephant. The African elephant is a very large mammal, and it can live into 70 years. And its tusks are up to 80 feet. That is very long. And our last creature in the jungle of the Amazon is the gorilla. They can live up to 35 years, and they stay with their mom until they're 5 years old. And always the children copy their dad to practice their hunting skills. And that's it for the 5 amazing facts about 5 amazing animals in Liyah's Adventures. Bye! And don't forget to subscribe and comment down below and click that bell. Bye! Again.